Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable quick launch in Oukitel RT8. Quick launch is an option which allows you to, for example, launch Google Assistant by pressing and holding onto your power button. That's how it works. And now let's disable it. Go to Settings, slide down to System. Now open Gestures, press and hold power button, and now you can disable it. Now, when I press and hold power button, it doesn't open Google Assistant. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.